In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can join the Grow a Garden Discord server and become more involved with the community. If this video does help you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for even more Grow a Garden videos just like this. It really does help out the channel. First things first, go ahead and find the Grow a Garden game on Roblox. I'm using the website, but this is also going to work on the mobile app or just the app in general if you're on a PC or laptop. You can do this by just finding Grow a Garden or just searching it up at the top. It's completely up to you. But once you do get on the game page right here, scroll down until you find the social link options right here and look for the Discord icon button and go ahead and click on it. On mobile, it may appear as just a small icon, but on PC, it'll be like a full thing. But this is going to redirect you to a Discord invite page. Simply go ahead and accept it as your Discord account. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and continue through this. I'm just going to go ahead and skip and then hit finish just like so. And once you are inside, you'll see a little welcome section. Once again, just go through that and you are good to go. But as soon as you complete those, you'll be ready to explore the server, find different chats, get updates, and so much more. But that's it. You're now a part of the Grow a Garden Discord community. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.